Chiliz value equivalent to 2.5217 rands a coin. The present cost range, 2.4112 to 2.5371. The earlier day close, 2.4267. The change was plus 0.0950. Plus 3.91%. Backwards rate, ZAR to CHC. Chiliz cost expectation on Monday, February 20. Cost 2.40 rands, high 2.57, low 2.23. Chiliz conjecture on Tuesday, February 21. Cost 2.57 rands, high 2.75, low 2.39. Chiliz cost expectation on Wednesday, February 22. Cost 2.67 rands, high 2.86, low 2.48. Chiliz conjecture on Thursday, February 23. Cost 2.57 rands, high 2.75, low 2.39. In multi-week Chiliz cost expectation on Friday, February 24. Cost 2.52 rands, high 2.70, low 2.34. Chiliz conjecture on Monday, February 27. Cost 2.55 rands, high 2.73. Low 2.37. Chiliz cost expectation on Tuesday, February 28. Cost 2.56 rands, high 2.74, low 2.38. Chiliz conjecture on Wednesday, Walk 1. Cost 2.24 rands, high 2.40, low 2.08. Chiliz cost expectation on Thursday, Walk 2. Cost 2.18 rands, high 2.33, low 2.03. In about 14 days Chiliz conjecture on Friday, Walk 3. Cost 2.53 rands, high 2.71, low 2.35. Chiliz cost expectation on Monday, Walk 6. Cost 2.48 rands, high 2.65, low 2.31. Chiliz conjecture on Tuesday, Walk 7. Cost 2.40 rands, high 2.57, low 2.23. Chiliz cost expectation on Wednesday, Walk 8. Cost 2.39 rands, high 2.56, low 2.22. Chiliz estimate on Thursday, Walk 9. Cost 2.41 rands, high 2.58, low 2.24. In 3 weeks Chiliz cost forecast on Friday, Walk 10. Cost 2.46 rands, high 2.63, low 2.29. Chiliz estimate on Monday, Walk 13. Cost 2.60 rands, high 2.78, low 2.42. Chiliz cost forecast on Tuesday, Walk 14. Cost 2.64 rands, high 2.82, low 2.46. Chiliz estimate on Wednesday, Walk 15. Cost 2.39 rands, high 2.56, low 2.22. Chiliz cost forecast on Thursday, Walk 16. Cost 2.51 rands, high 2.69, low 2.33. In about a month Chiliz figure on Friday, Walk 17. Cost 2.49 rands, high 2.66, low 2.32. Chiliz cost expectation on Monday, Walk 20. Cost 2.58 rands, high 2.76, low 2.40. Chiliz figure on Tuesday, Walk 21. Cost 2.48 rands, high 2.65, low 2.31. Chiliz value expectation for 2023. 2024, 2025, 2026, and 2027. Chiliz cost expectation for February 2023. Initially cost at 2.32 rands, exorbitant cost 2.97, while low cost 2.19. The found the middle value of cost 2.51. Chiliz cost gauge toward the month's end 2.56, change for February 10.3%. Chiliz gauge for Walk 2023. In the first place cost at 2.56 rands, exorbitant cost 2.84, while low cost 2.03. The found the middle value of cost 2.52. Chiliz cost gauge toward the month's end 2.65, change for spring 3.5%. Chiliz cost expectation for April 2023. In the first place cost at 2.65 rands, excessive cost 3.28. While low cost 2.65. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 2.91. Chiliz cost figure toward the month's end 3.07. Change for April 15.8%. Chiliz figure for May 2023. Initially cost at 3.07 rands. Excessive cost 3.07. While low cost 2.40. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 2.78. Chiliz cost figure toward the month's end 2.58. change for May 16.0%. Chiliz cost expectation for June 2023. Initially cost at 2.58 rands, excessive cost 2.58. While low cost 2.02, the arrived at the midpoint of cost 2.34, Chiliz cost figure toward the month's end 2.17, change for June 15.9%. Chiliz figure for July 2023, initially cost at 2.17 rands, excessive cost 2.20, while low cost 1.92, the arrived at the midpoint of cost 2.09, Chiliz cost conjecture toward the month's end 2.06, change for July 5.1%. Chiliz cost expectation for August 2023, at the outset cost at 2.06 rands, excessive cost 2.54, while low cost 2.06, the arrived at the midpoint of cost 2.26, Chiliz cost conjecture toward the month's end 2.37, change for August 15.0%. Chiliz conjecture for September 2023, at the outset cost at 2.37 rands, excessive cost 2.94, while low cost 2.37, the arrived at the midpoint of cost 2.61, Chiliz cost conjecture toward the month's end 2.75, change for September 16.0%. Chiliz cost expectation for October 2023, at the outset cost at 2.75 rands, excessive cost 3.41, while low cost 2.75, the arrived at the midpoint of cost 3.03, Chiliz cost conjecture toward the month's end 3.19, change for October 16.0%. Chiliz conjecture for November 2023, at the outset cost at 3.19 rands, exorbitant cost 3.19, while low cost 2.49, the found the middle value of cost 2.89, Chiliz cost gauge toward the month's end 2.68, change for November 16.0%. Chiliz cost expectation for December 2023, to start with cost at 2.68 rands, exorbitant cost 2.68, while low cost 2.09, the found the middle value of cost 2.43. Chiliz cost gauge toward the month's end 2.25, change for December 16.0%. Chiliz gauge for January 2024, to start with cost at 2.25 rands, exorbitant cost 2.25, while low cost 1.76, the found the middle value of cost 2.04. Chiliz cost gauge toward the month's end 1.89, change for January 16.0%. Chiliz cost expectation for February 2024, to start with cost at 1.89 rands, exorbitant cost 2.34, while low cost 1.89, the found the middle value of cost 2.08. Chiliz cost gauge toward the month's end 2.19, change for February 15.9%. Ran to Chiliz estimate on Monday, February 20, cost 0.417 coins, high 0.448, low 0.389. ZAR to CHZ forecast on Tuesday, February 21, cost 0.389 coins, high 0.4